The Eastside Market is currently running at half the speed as it did a year ago. What does that mean for buyers and sellers as we enter the spring market? We're going to talk about that and more today. I'm Tony Meier with Windermere Real Estate, your host. I've been watching the market and studying it for 36 years, trying to help our clients make smart, timely, and financially profitable real estate decisions. We're going to share some information that we see this week with you so you can understand what's happening with our market. As we do each week, we're going to talk about rates for sale and pending, months of inventory and median sales price, see what's happening with the market and what we can glean in this direction. So first up is interest rates. We are sitting down a little bit this week, still good, but with the number of 7 in the beginning, we'd love to see that in the 6s. Hopefully this trend downward continues. So we're going to talk about active listings, pending sales, and months of inventory to understand the marketplace and what's happening. So we talk about months of inventory. It has nothing to do with how long it takes to sell a property. It is the division of supply versus demand. And the lower that number is, the lower the month of inventory is, the more we've got a fast-paced market and more we see appreciating market. Of course, the reverse of that is true. So what's changing in our marketplace this year compared to last? Listings is the number one thing we're seeing. We've got listings up this week, 67% compared to where they were at in 2024. So 8% increase, but we are starting to stockpile listings and not see those go away. So the opposite side of that coin is the absorption side, which is pendings. We're down 18% this week. We did have a nice 7% increase from last week, but we've got a significant change in our months of inventory compared to last year. Last year we were sitting at 0.58. This week we're sitting at 1.18. So that is half the pace, or half as slow a market as we had a year ago. So what does this mean as we start to look forward towards our spring market? Well, sellers are probably not going to see as many crazy offers as they have in the past. With these type of numbers, that's not likely to be the case. And maybe not seeing those sky-high prices that you could have easily obtained in other markets, like we might have seen last year with that 0.58 months of inventory. So unless we see some changes, prices are going to be moderating at this point, which will give buyers some options in the marketplace, maybe a little less pressure. On to our prices, speaking of, we're down 6% this week compared to last week, but we remain up 4% compared to 2024. As you know, we like to look at the rolling 30 days of better understanding of what's happening with our prices, and that's also edging down this week, down 4%. I think what you're really seeing with the rolling median is that you're seeing more affordable houses start to come to the market. We've really been stockpiling high-end inventory, lots of new construction, lots of big houses sitting on the market, driving the median price up. But what you're starting to see is some of that lower end come to market and actually sell and close at this point. So we talk about a lot of stuff each week. I know it can be very confusing. Trust me, it's a lot for us to understand what's happening with the market. So I want you to reach out to us. If you've got a question, you can leave a comment down below. You can give me a call directly. We've got great information for neighborhoods, cities, and of course, all of the East Side, which we share with you each week. So happy to be of service. If you've yet to do so, please share this video with a friend, somebody who could use this information. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification of our future videos going forward. Well, that's it for now, and we'll look forward to talking with you next week. Take care.